Hey y'all, it's Chrissy and welcome to another YouTube video. As you can see by today's title, we are doing small bohemian knotless and this is a tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So as y'all know, I already started off by pre-parting and applying my gel to the part and pre-parting my part like I do in every video. And now I split it in 3 and I normally start braiding from there, and I start adding my pieces after I braid down twice. And now I start to add in the hair, and I keep adding and I keep adding until I get the desired length and the desired thickness that me and my client want for this style. Make sure you always have some clips nearby or some scrunchies so that the hair is not in the way and that you're not braiding all over the place. I would say this video is mainly for people who have an idea of what you're doing when it comes to knotless braids. Mainly for people who already know basically what they're doing. This is just like a rundown. I basically just keep adding in here until I get the desired thickness. Like I always say, please make sure your braids match your parts. Please make sure your braids are not like too thin on the person's scalp. And if it is too thin, add more braids. Make the parts a little bit smaller so that it can be fuller. You get me? Stop trying to use the excuse, oh, her hair is too thin. Sometimes her hair may be too thin and they just have bald spots. And it's hard to cover up. I don't cover up bald spots. I tell people that all the time. But I can still braid your hair. You get me? I don't know how to cover up bald spots. The most I know how to do is cover up the parts. That's it. And overlap these braids to make it look fuller. So always remember, make sure your braids are similar, same size as the parts. Make sure everything matches and adds up, because you do not want your braids looking mixed match and all over the place. You get me? Here I'm just combing it out and just pre-parting. Once again, I love to pre-part. That is literally all I do. Sometimes I be like, can I get 3 braids? Can I get 4? Can I get 5? But today was a 4 kind of day. You get me? And yeah, that's that. Today was a 4 kind of day. It looked good, it looked nice, and it looked neat. And here I'm just repeating the steps. I already molded it down with my braiding gel, combed it out and everything, and now I'm just braiding it down. Please comb out the gel. Don't just put the gel on the part and then get it braided. That's not how you braid. Don't do that. Stop glazing gel and jam on people's hair and you don't know what you're doing. No, comb it out, baby. Smooth it out, mold it out, and get the nice look that you want. And another thing, remember to invest in a good gel. I do need to make a new and updated video, so I will be doing that sometime soon whenever I have time on the braiding gels that I highly request. And yeah. I know I only mainly talk about the braids and the size of the parting and blah, 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 blah. But we need to talk about the actual braid itself. Can y'all please pay attention to y'all braids? Please. I'll be messing up too sometimes, and it's bound to happen. But please make sure that at least majority of the person's braids are smooth and not rough and bumpy and ugly. Please, no. And please do not start your knotless braids off looking very thick. They're knotless. There should be no bump on the top of the braid. Get it right, girls. You get me? If you're gonna do it right and do it good. But I'm not here to judge. Actually, I am here to judge, because I'm judging myself as well, and I'm critiquing myself as well, and I want you to do the exact same thing so we both can perfect our craft. You get me? Look at the gel. Look at gel. Look how much gel I'm putting on there. I'm putting a fingertip of gel. I'm not putting a whole jar of gel on my hand. Don't do that. Comb it out. Smooth it out with your fingers. Braid. Split it in 3. Right? Braid it down twice. And then you got the hair. Boom. Then you got another piece. Watch me. Boom. Another one. Like, just braid. I don't want my braids to be looking thick at all. You see how my client is just there getting her hair done? It's because these braids don't hurt. You get me? There's no need to be grip. Like, and pulling people's scalp apart. Don't do that. I'm sorry, my voice went away a little bit. But stop doing that, y'all. You get me? Look, she falling asleep already. Painless. Knotless braids are supposed to be painless. Without the knot, without the pain. You get me? Stop making these braids look real big and ugly at the top. That's not how it's supposed to look at all. Your braid's supposed to eat. And if they're not eating already, make sure, like, after 2 months of practice, they eat and they continue to eat. And you continue to grow with everything. Duh. And another thing, y'all, this is for the clients. When y'all come to your hair appointments, please act like my client right here. She's a perfect model. Her head is straight. She's not bent down on her phone. Or, you know what I mean? You could be on your phone, but just keep your head up, please. I'm not saying you can't be on your phone, but please just stop bending. Like, lift your head. Like, you get me? You can hold your phone. You don't got to kneel down. Like, just hold it up for me a little bit. You get me? And if you're tender-headed, I'm sorry, Bookie, but you can't keep moving every time I part your hair. It's time. It's time. It's okay. I know. My hair not done. And it's not done for a reason, because I am tender-headed and I don't want nobody in my hair. So I don't do it, and I don't need to do it. But you're getting it done, so you got to get it done. And the more you move and the more you know what I mean, your hair is going to mess up. And I don't want to do that to you, because I don't want you to come back to me and tell me that I messed up your hair. So we're going to do it the right way and sit and be, normal. Look, she's asleep. Look at her. Be like her. So yeah, y'all, I have been talking for 8 minutes, and I think it's about time I be quiet. Just watch the video. Watch to the end. Y'all will see how I add in the human hair. I'll include tips. I'll include everything that needs to be included. And yeah, just sit back, watch the video. You can watch while you're braiding your client's hair. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is at Chrissy Haircraft. That's my hair page. And my main page is at Chrissy the Goofy. Y'all be safe, stay blessed, and continue to get to the bag. Bye.